welcome back. Today we have a grow cat in this little jar tub thing. So we're gonna update you this probably once every week, and we're trying to get it to grow really big, like maybe bigger than this. So we'll update you on her every week. She needs a name, so you can put that in the comments what name you think we should give her. But yeah, we're gonna keep you updated on the grow cat every day. Every week. And we're gonna keep her in here for 5 weeks and see how big we can get her to go. So anyways, goodbye. See you next week.